I'm Sophia and I'm GA's pet food claims expert. So part of my role at GA is to look at partners' packaging and help partners with the claims that they make on their packaging. I also look at new raw materials for the business and how we can develop claims to assist our partners with their products. So today I'm going to go through some of the frequently asked questions that you as partners have about the claims you can make on pack. So firstly, grain-free. We have a great grain-free range here at GA, but one of the things that we don't encourage partners to say on pack is just grain-free. The reason for that being is that we do handle grains on site, so even though the recipe itself is grain-free, there is always a chance of a small risk of contamination with grains in the product. So we encourage partners to say grain-free recipe, no added grain, formulated without grains, or alternatively, partners can add on a small statement that says made in a factory that handles grain. And that's all to protect the end consumer. You know, if they have a dog or a cat that has intolerances to grains, they know that there is a small chance that that recipe